Variety of bhajis, podis and ambodes serve the best role of accompanying our daily meals and make the experience of our meal truly heavenly. As brilliant as they taste, they also involve a meticulous method of preparation. Therefore, in today's episode, let us learn to prepare a meticulous dish from South Kannada, and that is Cabbage Ambode. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. To prepare Cabbage Ambode, first let us take about half a cup or 120 grams of dosa rice into a mixing bowl. After adding dosa rice, let us add same quantity of Toor Dal into the mixing bowl. Once we have both these ingredients, let us wash it till the water runs clean and then soak it for about 45 minutes. Please don't soak it for more than 45 minutes. If you do so, Toor Dal will lose its flavor and the ambodes will lose its texture as well as flavor. After 45 minutes, let us start by adding 20 dry red chillies into a mixer grinder. First, we have to grind the added dry red chillies exclusively in the mixer grinder. Once we have powdered the dry red chillies, let us add the soaked Toor Dal and dosa rice a little by little and grind it into a fine paste by adding as less water as possible. After the first round, here we are adding 5 grams of tamarind soaked in 1 tablespoon of water. After grinding the tamarind, here we are adding about 1 tablespoon of water before we continue the process. As you have rightly observed, the most important point to keep in the mind is to add as less water as possible throughout the process. In fact, add water only if it is necessary. Look at this, my dear friends. Here we have the perfect consistency of the ingredients for our Cabbage Ambode. So it is now time to transfer this into a large mixing bowl before we continue adding other ingredients. The first addition to the mixture is about 1 cup or 150 grams of finely chopped onions. After onions, it is time for our main ingredient, and that is 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Next in the list is about 1/4 cup or 30 grams of freshly grated coconut. And now it is time for our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste and then give this all a thorough and a good mix. As the added cabbage and the onions sweat during the process, please don't be tempted to add any water. We have the mixture for our Cabbage Ambode, and now it is time to deep fry them. To ensure the mixture to not stick to our hands, start by dipping your hands in water, take a little bit of mixture and flatten them as shown in the video and drop them carefully and gently into the hot oil. The whole process of preparing Cabbage Ambode is not just exciting but also deeply satisfying and therapeutic. When the added portions of ambode turn dark red in color, it is time to take them out of the hot oil. Having said that, our crispy, crunchy and delicious Cabbage Ambode is ready. We request you to kindly prepare this at your homes and enjoy this with your family. And if you like this recipe, do click the like button and also share it with your friends. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.